Stop wasting time with chatbots that just regurgitate. Your agent just took over your inbox, qualified leads in seconds, and drafted responses before you even opened your email. That's not sci-fi. It's OpenClaw, and you're building it right now. Forget confusing jargon. I'll show you step-by-step how to make an AI agent that actually worked for your business, using free tools and zero coding. Let's dive in. First, install OpenClaw. Head to GitHub, grab the latest release for your OS, and unzip it. For a local server, run /OpenClaw server in your terminal. It starts instantly on port 3000. No cloud fees, no setup headaches. If you're on a Raspberry Pi, it runs lean on that $50 device. Done. Now, connect your first model. Click Add Model in the dashboard. For local, choose Alma. Enter http://localhost 11434 as the endpoint and pick Llama 3:8b. It's fast, free, and fits on a laptop. For cloud, paste your OpenAI API key, select GPT-4 Turbo, and pay 1 cent per 1K tokens. That's cheaper than your coffee. Now create your first skill. Skills are the agent's job descriptions. Click New Skill, name it Lead Qualifier. Define its purpose. Scan emails for sales opportunities. Score leads using company size and budget. Then draft a personalized reply. Now add tools. Click Add Tool. Select Gmail API and connect your account. Authenticate via Google OAuth. Takes 60 seconds. Next, add sales criteria as a tool. Paste your exact rules. Lead qualifies if company size greater than 50 employees and budget greater than $50,000. No more vague good leads. This is concrete. Time to build the agent. Click Create Agent. Name it Email Scout. Set the trigger. Check Gmail every 15 minutes. Now, drag your lead qualifier skill into the workflow. Link it to the Gmail tool. Add a draft response tool using your email client's API. Test it immediately. Click Test Workflow and watch it pull your latest email, apply your sales rules, and generate a draft in 8 seconds. If it misses budget greater than $50,000, tweak the criteria in the skill settings. No rewrites needed. Refine output quality. See that draft says, "Hi there." Too generic. Go back to the draft response tool. Add a prompt template. Write a concise, friendly reply referencing S recent and mention how our solves. Now it says, "Great seeing S new sustainability initiative." Our tool automates that exact workflow. Can I share a case study? That's the quality you want. Test with 5 real emails. Adjust the prompt until it nails it. Set on autopilot. In the agent settings, click Schedule. Choose every 15 minutes. Enable auto-respond to send drafts directly to your inbox. No more manual checks. This runs silently in the background while you work. Now, the cost breakdown. Locally, you're spending $0. Alma on a $50 Raspberry Pi handles 100 emails/day. Cloud, 50 cents per 1,000 emails using GPT-4 Turbo. For 100 leads/day, that's 5 cents. But here's the kicker. Locally, you own your data. No privacy risks. Cloud, you pay per token, and your emails sit in someone else's servers. For a small business, local is smarter. $0 versus $50 per month. I've run this for 3 clients. Their lead response time dropped from 4 hours to 90 seconds, and they've booked 17 new meetings. Stop guessing. Your agent isn't just a demo. It's doing real work. If you followed along, you've got an email qualifying agent live. Now, imagine adding a CRM update skill to auto-log leads in Salesforce, or a social media scout that finds prospects on LinkedIn. That's where